This video is an overview of Word 2010. The first thing that you have in the top left corner is called your Quick Access Toolbar. And these are commands that you use very frequently. You can click on your More button and you can add things as you need to your Quick Access Toolbar. You have a File button, which allows you to use general commands such as save, close, open, print, etc. You have tabs going along the top, and as you click on a tab, your entire ribbon changes. So as you move from the Home tab to the Insert tab, your ribbon changes, and it does that for each of these tabs across the top. Your Home tab is the tab that you use more than any of the others. Each of your ribbons is broken up into groupings. So you've got your clipboard grouping, your font grouping, your paragraph grouping. In each corner of your grouping, you have what's called a launcher. And this launcher, when you click on it, opens up a menu box for you to do other commands that you can see with words rather than just by the picture icons. By default, Microsoft Word sets up after spacing after you press enter. So when you press enter a few times on this document, you can see that there's kind of a gap between each of these enters that I pressed. This is by default with Microsoft Word. They put in this after spacing. In every document that we create in this class, you do not want that after spacing in there. So I'm going to backspace this out, and I'm going to click on this no spacing style. And when I click on no spacing style, that takes out my after spacing. So when I press enter, each of my enters are directly underneath each other, and there's no spacing in between there. Another thing that you need to make sure that you do before you start typing anything in your document is you come over to your font grouping, you click on the drop down arrow, and you change your font size to 12. By default, Microsoft Word has the font size as 11, but we want all of our documents to be typed in 12-point font with the no spacing style. And you will do this for every single document that you create.